All right, so as we said, we do have iPhone 16 Pro Max right here, and this is our case with the Benks cases in them right over here to the side. So we're gonna talk about this phone first, just get it unboxed and we'll see what we think about it and if we actually like it. So let's jump right into it.
As time goes by.
Now, of course, the unboxing experience is always a pleasure. One down low, one up top. There we go. So we went with the Desert Titanium. Now, I've technically been on vacation. This stuff all kind of came in while I was gone. So I did not get a chance to like do my unboxing like everybody else. But for the most part, there we go. Desert Titanium 256. Now, if you know me, you know that iPhone is not my everyday device. It's not. But this Desert Titanium, I liked the titanium from last year. This one almost reminds me of a rose gold. It's like a really light gold color. Hopefully that really comes through for you guys. So as you can see over here, you got all your buttons, label, power, camera, all that good stuff. Charging port down here. There we go. And we are set. Now this phone actually comes with, of course, no power brick, of course, but we do have the nylon USB-C to C cable. All of our iPhone information, we normally just put these back in the box. I like the nylon cables though. I've been kind of swapping out for all of those. So let us do this. I'm gonna go ahead and get it turned on, of course. Now this is just the unboxing experience. This is nothing more, nothing less. I did want to get it out of the box. I did want to show you guys some of these cases that we first got from the company Benks, and we do have a MagSafe charger from Benks, 10,000 milliamp hour, fast charging. It charges via USB type C to C as well. But we're going to try that out with this case itself. So Benks was kind enough to send this package over, and I love magnetic boxes. As you can see that, it's always great when you got a magnetic box. Boom, there we go. And we do have 3 cases on the inside, so iPhone is just waiting for us to get everything turned on and loaded up. We'll take these cases out and we are going to see what kind of cases we got in here. Here we go. And this one, here we go. When I put everything on the screen for the display, I'll actually display the names because all these got different names. Yeah, all of them have different names. So we are going to be putting these on this device, and I'll show you all 3 of them. All right, so we got a few cases right out here. The ArmorPro 600D, this is the ArmorPro Aurora, and this is the ArmorAir in the passion green. So without further ado, let's get these cases on and let's talk about them and see how they look on this device. Now, of course, these cases are all Kevlar, very lightweight, and your Benks cases are always gonna come with this tag on them. So just verifying that they are official Benks cases. I always like to start with the lighter cases. Now, let's see, make sure we get it on right. We don't want to scratch this device up, and we just got it. So here we go, here we go. Snaps in. All right, let's see. Best way to put these on. So this is one of those cases where when it snaps on, it snaps on. Like it's on there already. So we're just gonna go ahead and pop it on. All right, now, there we go. This is the passion green ArmorAir. Notice, boom, MagSafe all day long. A lot of protection for that camera right there. Barely any protection on that front, but you do get a raised bezel all the way around. It looks good. Very, very subtle, but it is there. all your buttons here, wide open. No issues there. Everything is open, and placement is really good for our new capture button. We got to see how this capture thing is gonna work, because I've been hearing a lot of things about it, but that is pretty much it. So passion green in the ArmorAir. They got a bunch of different cases. I'm gonna drop a link below. You guys will be able to go by and check this stuff out for yourself. But what we're gonna do now is pop this one out. There we go. I was able to just get the top out and then just pop it off. So once again, this one here is the ArmorPro Aurora. I like this. I actually had this case for my 15 Pro Max, and I never really got a chance to release that video. So that's the easiest way to put them in. I'm learning on the fly, guys, because this, like I said, these things have never been open before and I never tried them out. But that is what you get. Very strong on the magnet, no problems there. Everything looks good, feels good. Once again, nice raised lip right there around that camera. Can't get much better than that. Then if you flip it over and you look at the front, once again, that subtle bezel is all the way around. So if you ever do drop it, hopefully it will only hurt the case itself. Now, I have had these kind of cases before, and I have dropped them, and they have saved my phone's life. And once again, you're just pulling from the top and it comes off. Very easy. Learning on the fly, guys. Now, this is the more protective. Remember, these cases are Kevlar. Of course, all three of them Kevlar, but these have open slots on the side. So you're not gonna get 100% 300-degree protection, but this one right here is the bad boy in the bunch. This is the ArmorPro 600D, and it gives you 100% protection with the exception of this. And I like the way they left this open. I've heard some stories so far. Like I said, we're gonna talk about it. We gotta get into it because we gotta know everything that this button is gonna do for us. But I've heard some things and I don't know if they're all true. So everything has a button with the exception of the capture portion. Once again, raised bezel, very nice. Hides the camera lenses, nice protection. Flip this over, you do get a nice raised edge. Now on this one, if you drop it, it's all case all the time. I'm not scared to drop this one. The other ones, I'm kind of scared to drop them right now. But on this one, the 600D, it's all good all the time. So you really don't have to worry about it too much. Wireless charge, of course. MagSafe compatible. We had no issues, no quarrels about that. So once again, this has been my unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max and a first look at some cases from Benks. Now, like I said, I'm going to drop a link below. You'll be able to check all these cases out for yourself, and maybe you can pick up one of these if you like them. And I think that's about it. So if you can't see my floor down here, I got a bunch of cases from a bunch of different companies. We're gonna be going through all of them. I'm gonna tell you which ones are gonna be the best. I'll do a roundup of like my top Kevlar cases, my top most protective cases, my top most minimalistic cases that I have. I got a bunch of them. So, and I even got some armored cases and things like that as well. So stay tuned, be sure and hit that subscribe button so you can get all my notifications. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.